update here. Upside Foods has just announced that they're building a factory in Illinois to make 28 million tons a year of cultivated meat. Now, I might have to admit that I was completely wrong about the scaling ability of some of these companies, like we saw in our last look with Believer Meat. So I'm going to do some looking into that and make another video coming up in the next couple weeks on the differences between Believer Meats and Upside Foods. May be completely wrong. Super exciting to see. This is the second large-scale commercial cultivated meat plant in the United States, and it's expected to be opened in 2025. For reference, here is the Upside Foods funding history to date, and they are worth just over $1.3 billion right now. California lab-grown meat company announced as first tenant at Glenview logistics site on the former Allstate campus. The former Allstate campus, which is being raised and redeveloped as a logistics center by DeMorty Properties, has its first new tenant. Upside Foods, Berkeley, California-based cultivated meat company, announced Thursday it is building its first production plant in a warehouse under construction at the massive site along I-294 in Glenview, Illinois. The company received final approval from the U.S. Department of Agriculture in June to sell lab-grown meat. They will lease 187,000 square feet in one of 10 buildings slated for the logistics campus. They expect to begin operations in 2025. We're excited that the next chapter of our journey towards building a more sustainable, humane, and abundant future will be in Illinois, Uma Valetti, CEO and founder of Upside Foods, said in a news release. Establishing our plant in this region allows us to tap into a remarkable talent pool, a thriving innovation ecosystem, and a notable history of meat production. Upside said it will invest $140 million in the facility and create at least 75 new jobs, from warehousing and logistics to food production. An Upside Food spokesman said it is a long-term lease but did not disclose the terms. The Glenview facility is designed to house massive cultivators with capacities of up to 100,000 liters, making it one of the largest cultivated meat production facilities in the world, the company said. Upside will start by producing ground cultivated chicken products, with plans to expand to other species and whole textured formats down the road. The Glenview plant will have an initial capacity to produce millions of pounds of cultivated meat products per year, with the potential to increase its output to more than 30 million pounds annually, the company said. So Upside Foods is already producing cultivated meat products at a small California facility for use at Bar Cran in San Francisco. Upside has received about $15 million in grants, loans, and tax credits, part of which is drawn from a new provision for startups in the state's Economic Development for a Growing Economy program. This program offers annual corporate tax credits to qualifying businesses that create jobs, investment, and training programs in Illinois. And there's just a bit more information on the Allstate complex. So we'll keep updates on that. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris. We'll see you in the next video.